My Files is the place within ClassLink where you can access, edit, and store all your files and folders located on your school network and cloud drives. To do this, log into ClassLink and click on My Files, located at the bottom of the screen. My Files will open in its own tab. Please note, if you get a pop-up prompt, you want to click the Open ClassLink Agent button. And if you check the Remember box, you will not be prompted to open ClassLink Agent each time you open My Files. Within My Files, you will see a tree view of your storage locations on the left. The school network storage location is where your My Documents and staff group share folders will be found. Click the chevron to the left to expand any folders. To open a My Documents or group share file, select a folder in the navigation tree, and any files in that folder will show in the center viewing pane. Click on a file to open it. If the file is an Office document, it will open in the Office Online app. In order to edit the file, you will need to download it to your computer. Click the Download button located at the top. You will most likely see your downloaded file appear in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it, and your file will open in the appropriate Office app. After opening the downloaded file and editing it, you will need to save a copy of it to your computer. Once that is done, you can come back to your files in ClassLink to upload the new copy. Make sure you are in the folder where you'd like the uploaded file to appear. Click the Upload button on the toolbar and choose Files. Then navigate to the file you saved on your computer and choose to open it. You will see an upload notification window, and the file will appear in your folder. Please note that if the file name is the same as your original file, you will not be prompted to replace the file. Instead, it will save the file with a 1 in parentheses after the title. So we've mentioned the Upload button on the toolbar, but there are also a few other buttons available for you to use. The first two buttons will allow you to organize your files in either a list or an icon grid view. Next is the Refresh button, followed by the Download Manager. You can organize by name, type of file, size, or last modified. Click the New button to create a new folder or Microsoft Online document, spreadsheet, or presentation. Toward the right-hand side of your My Files window, you will see a search bar. By clicking the drop-down arrow next to Go, you can search for files in a selected folder, in your school network folders, or everywhere. Now that we've talked a bit about using your network files and folders in ClassLink, let's connect our other online services. In the left navigation tree, click on Manage Services. You will then see a button to connect Google Drive and Office 365 OneDrive files. Let's click to connect Google Drive. Click on your district account in the list. If you don't see your district account, you may need to click Use Another Account and enter your email address and password. Click Allow in order for ClassLink to view and manage your Google Drive files. You will now see a green check mark denoting that Google Drive is connected, and you'll also see Google Drive listed in the navigation tree of your My Files. Now let's click to connect Office 365. Type your full email address into the sign-in box and click Next. Choose Work or School Account. Type in your district email password and click Sign In. You can choose to reduce the number of times you are asked to enter your email password by selecting Yes to this prompt. You can also check the box to prevent this prompt from showing again. You will now see the green check mark to indicate your Office 365 account is connected, and you'll see Office 365 in the navigation tree in the left panel. Click the chevrons to the left of any storage folder in order to expand and view any folders and files within that service. To open a Google Drive file, select a folder within Drive in the navigation tree and any files in that folder will show in the center viewing pane. Click on a file to open it. The Google file will open in a new tab, and you can make any changes you'd like. Since you are working in Google Drive, there's no Save button. Any changes you make will automatically be applied to the file, and it will be auto-saved. Simply close the tab when you are done editing. The process for opening an Office 365 file is very similar. Choose a folder in the navigation pane and click to open any file that appears in the center reading pane. If a new tab doesn't open, check your pop-up blocker icon at the top right next to your address bar. If you see a little red X next to the pop-up blocker, simply click on the icon and choose Always Allow Pop-ups from ClassLink.com, and then click Done. You will need to click on the Office 365 file title again, and then the file will open in a new tab. If you choose to open an Office document, you'll notice that you are viewing the file once again in Word Online. In order to edit the file, you will need to click the Edit Document pencil. Then from the drop-down, choose to edit either in the Word app if it's available on your computer, or edit the file in the browser. After editing, be sure to save the file in order for the file to sync and save changes to Office 365. Additional resources on this topic and others are available from a database on the Educational Technology website. You can search by application title, text, or format, such as video, handout, or presentation. A direct link to this resource table is bit.ly/EPS-resources. Please note that the URL is case sensitive. Maybe you're looking for something a little more than a handout or video. If so, also available from our EdTech website is a form for professional learning requests. The training could be for yourself, your PLC, or your building. To access the form, go to bit.ly/EPS-training. Again, please note that the URL is case sensitive.